In front of me is SONY Xperia 10.3 and today I would like to show you how you can find all typing features located on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then Languages and Input, on-screen keyword and keyboard. Over here all you need to do is click on Text Correction, and as you can see all typing features are here. If you wish to enable or disable one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!